Do you have any more comments, manifestations, on questions? Please.
Mr. Chair.
Congressman Manuel.
Thank you. I just want to manifest my strong support for the substitute bill that we are tackling right now. Sa panahon po na ito, hindi na dapat natin pahintulutan ang kahit anumang forma ng torture kasi napaka-barbaric po nito at kahit anumang grupo na gagamit ng torture for its end goals ay pagpapakita lamang nun na ineffective at meron talagang baluktot no, doon sa kung ano man ang pamamaraan ng kahit sinong institusyon or grupo. Dapat sa panahon na to ay wala ng kahit sino mang Pilipino na makaranas pa ng torture in any of its forms. So I also manifest my support and also my intent, Mr. Chair, at the proper time to be a co-author of this very necessary bill. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Oh, thank you very much, Congressman Manuel. If there's no more queries or questions, I would like to ask for a motion to approve this bill with considering the proposed amendments and subject to style, please. Any motion?
Mr. Chair, I move to approve the draft committee report and substitute bill on the National Preventive Mechanism, subject to style and amendments. I so move, Mr. Chair.
Second, and may I be included also as co-author?
All right, so there is a motion to approve subject to style with the amendments being considered and seconded, and also a motion to make all of the members of the committee to be co-authors of the bill. So having no objection heard, same is approved. Ayos na. Any motion to adjourn?
Mr. Chair, I move to adjourn.
This committee is adjourned. Yun itong pinakamadali ha. O Mira, walang kahirap-hirap.